camp. Isn't it wonderful? Yes, it is. Right now we're at camp wannabe, we'll call it. Camp leadership. And now I'm running with everyone else. There's only two. We missed the call. Anyway, yeah, see? Cabins everywhere. Open space. It's awesome. I'm sorry ahead of time if this is making you disoriented or anything. It's me running along. But there's one place that you must see. Isn't it cool? It is so cool. Ooh, people talking. Hi.